The Royal Enfield has been testing a lot of different motorcycles and models which will be launched in the next few months in India and the international markets. Now, one of these bikes was spotted today on the ECR or the East Coast Road that goes from Chennai towards Mahabalipuram. This is the Bobber version of the new 350cc motorcycle. As you can make out, the bike has a lot of old world elements to give it an old world charm, a stylish charm. For example, look at the front headlamp. It's a retro feel for the headlamp. It's round with the chrome tip coming on. Likewise, you can have a glimpse of the speedometer console as well. On the back, it's got a single exhaust on the right side, and then the retro looking tail lamp and the indicators with a chrome finish as well. Most importantly, for the first time properly, we have spied the Bobber with the twin seat setup. There are two seats, two separate seats, one for the rider and one for the pillion. But more than that, for the first time on video, we have caught the exhaust note of the motorcycle. We have the note from two angles, from the phone as well as from the GoPro, coming up on your screens. Now, this will be a new 350cc engine that Enfield is using on other motorcycles. Likewise, they're also launching the all-new Bullet in a few days' time, and going forward, we also have the higher capacity Himalayan coming in. Side by side on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube, I've also put the testing of the Scram with alloy wheels. So yes, going forward, even the Scram will be available with alloy wheels, which also means tubeless tires for the Scram motorcycles. But the highlight, the hero for today has to be the spotting of the Bobber 350. We could not spot the bike on the move, but the rider was on standstill, so no safety issues. The rider was standing at a standstill. We were shooting the motorcycle and getting this exclusive footage for you guys.